Hi friends, in this video we will see about the Reflect API and how to get the prototype of the object and also how we can set the prototype of the object. So in the previous videos we have seen how we can create an object using Reflect and how we can call the method in the object or any class using the reflect.apply. We have seen it. Now we will see how we can get the prototype and also how we can set the prototype using the Reflect. So let's see here. I am writing one example class. So previously how we have here, we will writing the class same thing. We have a simple class here, person. Okay, I will be having constructor here, and I can write this dot and name is equal to Leela. So same old example only. So this is the person. I can create the object using new person, or otherwise you can use reflect.construct also. So anything is okay, fine. Now I have created new person. Now what I will try to do is I will try to get the prototype of this object. So if I want to get the prototype of the object, how we can see old method is underscore proto. This is the thing how we can get the prototype of an object, right? This underscore proto, what we can see is this is not recommended actually. Why? Because this proto is not supported by all the browsers. Okay, this underscore proto is not supported by all the browsers. In the ES5 it is not supported, is all things, but in the ES6 we have got a separate method in order to get the prototype. That is nothing but what we can say is reflect.getprototype of which one I need to know, person. Okay, now if I try to check here, I'm able to get the object same thing, but here if you check the object and all those things, it is not that much of visible. So for example, if you go to inspect element or somewhere, okay, if you go to the console and here I will be able to check the output. If I run here, I'm able to get the constructor thing. So if you try to check this one, the proto, here you will be able to see the prototype. Okay, now what I will try to do is, now here I am able to get that the prototype of this one is nothing but what we can say, it is a person, we can say able to see. Okay, now what I will try to do is, now I will try to check the console.log reflect.getprototypeof person, the small person is equal to person.prototype. Okay, so the class's prototype is nothing but this object prototype only. So we'll check whether this is true or not. We have written wrong. Okay, fine. Reflect.prototype, we have written as true. It's true only. Why? Because the object what we have created here, the object what I have created here for the person, this class person, this prototype is nothing but for this prototype only. Now if I want to change anything prototype, how you will be changing? So here we have seen how to get the prototype of a person. Now if I want to change the prototype, for example, if I want to change the person dot prototype dot age is equal to 27, like this I have given something. So now here if I try to print console.log reflect.getprototype of this person's object, if I want to check, I can have now the prototype has age 27. Just we have added for this person prototype, we have added extra property, that is nothing but age. Now if I try to get prototype of a person, I am able to get the age here. Okay, now here, now if I want to set the prototype of any object, so for example, if I have any other object or anything, I want to set that object as a prototype of this person. How can I set? Now if I want to check here, I have, let example, I have a object of proto and age is equal to 30 or something like this. Okay, so this is an object. Let's assume that this is an object. Okay, don't think otherwise. This is just, it's an object with the name proto. Now I want to set this object as the prototype to this person. How can I set the prototype? Here I can set the prototype here using reflect.setprototype. Okay, prototype of, and I can set first one, what is the object you want to set. Okay, So this is the object I want to set the prototype on. So what is that object you want to set the prototype? Okay, so here the proto. Okay, here the object which is going to be the prototype, and here is the object uh, which is going to apply the prototype, this one. Okay, person. And now if I check the output here, okay, if I reflect dot set prototype errors, if I try to check, okay fine, here is the semicolon mistake. If I try to check the prototype, now I got the prototype of age 30, and here if you check that reflect.getprototype person is equal person dot prototype is false. Now the prototype, we have changed the entire prototype, that now the prototype of this person is not the prototype of this class thing. So we have changed the prototype of this person. What is the prototype? Is nothing but the proto. We will try to check here directly proto. Now I will show you, is the prototype of this one is the thing. If you try to check, this one is also will be false only. Why? Because for this person, the prototype of this person is not the prototype of this object. Okay, the object itself is a prototype of the person. So that means we can check directly proto directly. So the proto object is nothing but the person, the person's prototype. Now if we check here, now we got the true here. Okay, so in this way we can set the prototype, and also we can get the prototype using reflect.getPrototype and reflect.setPrototype. I think now you understood correctly about the prototypes and all those things. So why? Because in long way videos, so many videos we have did what are these all prototypes, how we can check the prototypes and all those things. Okay, so if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment below to this video so that I can give you the reply. And also if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.